Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video I will be teaching you text highlighted effect in CapCut. So first of all you need to open the CapCut and create new project. This is the effect I am going to recreate. You can see for this I will add the image where I want to create this effect. So here it is. Let me press it here. After importing the image, you want to highlight the text. Go on text and add one text, and here you need to type minus. You can type as much as you want, and here you can see the color. You can change in any, but I am choosing green. Here you can see character, decrease it to -3. Here you can see it became tight, and now scroll down. You can see here background. Click here and again choose the same color you chose before. Here the green, and now I can decrease the opacity here, but I am not decreasing right now. You need to decrease the height. You can increase width and again go back, and now here you can see scale. You need to decrease the scale. Come here, and here you can see uniform scale of that, and increase the width and decrease the height. Now I can't see the text behind this, and I don't know how much it is being covered, so let's decrease the opacity. Here adjust it according to your taste. I want to highlight up to Tyson, so I will increase the width and let me adjust. It seems perfect. Now you can see upper part has more highlighted than lower part, so I want to fix this by decreasing the Y. Now it seems perfect. Again you need to increase the opacity and right click here in text and create compound clip. Now you can see it is like this. Now select this and go on video. Here you can see a blend option. You need to come here and multiply. Now it is highlighted, but we need the animation something like this. So for that, come here and go on video and here mask and choose horizontal and rotate this up to 270 and come on beginning. Here you have to keep this straight line in the beginning of this compound clip and add one keyframe of mask. And now according to your voice you need to increase this, how long you want to highlight the text or how much time do you want to animate. So I will keep it something here and again add a mask keyframe, and now scroll this all the way. Now it's finished. You can see something like this. If you want much more smoother animation, then click here and press Alt plus K, and here you can see this. Now click here and select auto curve. Similarly here also, and select auto curve. Now you can close this. Now you can see it is much more smoother. See, so this was the animation, and if you have any queries or questions then let me know in the comment section. And this was it for today. Thanks for watching.